All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on Happy Monday. Well, like, that's kind of an oxymoron. On Monday, let's just say on Monday. And guys, we got an unboxing for you, and I'm super excited. Another watch from Shopping in Japan. They sent me a really, really nice coupon. Thank you guys for sending that out to me. And I was able to use it towards this watch, a watch I've been kind of eyeballing for quite a while. This is the JDM version, and I'm really, really excited. So let's go ahead and open it. Now, as you guys know, this is only going to be an unboxing video. I will, down the road in a couple weeks or something like that, I will get a full, my thoughts on this watch, a full-on video out there, a full review, I should say, out there on this watch. So let's go ahead and cut the tape here. I'm trying to get it open without rattling the table around too much. I'm on kind of a small table here, guys. It's not super stable, so I want to go ahead and get this opened up. Jeez, I got the tape on here really, really good. All right, so, jeez, you guys got to deal with, oh my God, unboxing. The plastic is freaking wicked. All right, come on. There we go. And here is, as you usually get, you get a coupon in here for $20 off your next purchase. What else have they thrown in here? They've thrown in, my Shopping in Japan information about the watch I bought. And then, oh, look at this. They're gonna stick this in my face. Prospect Spring and Summer. I'll have to sit down and look through this just to see if there's, oh wow, there's going to be some really cool stuff in here. All right, guys, I will look through that later on. Let's go ahead and get the watch out of the package here. Man, it's boxed up almost too good, like so well. Okay, get that out. Now, inside of there, you guys may recognize this little cardboard box here. I recognize the style of the box and whatnot. Had a number of boxes like this on the channel. You guys, this is the brand that really kind of started the OFD channel. The first brand I ever actually showed on the channel would be the Orient. Now, this is a little bit different, and I think it may be that this is a JDM model. This box looks a little bit different than the ones I've usually gotten them in. I've gotten them in the blue with the rivets on it and stuff. So this is a little bit different. And go ahead and pop this open, get rid of that. And then here you go, simple Orient box here. And what do we have inside? Guys, I went ahead and ordered myself the Kano. This is one of the newest additions to the Orient Diver lineup. A really cool looking watch. You guys probably know I've got my Tudor Black Bay Red, and I kind of picked this up as a Tudor Black Bay beater watch, something I could wear around, not really worry too much about it getting banged up or dinged up or anything like that. Now, I should actually see where we're at on that date wheel there. Go ahead and get it around. All right, so let's get this in position. One of the things I wanted this one for is because it's a JDM model, and let's see if we get, that's the date. Yeah, look at that. It's got the kanji day wheel. I kind of wanted that when I bought this watch. I've never bought one with that. This is a really cool watch, newer design from them. They brought out, I can't remember the name of the other version. It's the Kumoso or something like that. And it's got the more traditional styling to the Makos and the Ray. The bezel insert is very similar. The bezel itself is very similar. It has different handsets, and it does have sapphire, which this one doesn't. But it's a really neat looking watch. It's a very nice. Now, they have this in a black and a blue variant. The black one and the red have the black dial. The blue variant has a sunburst, beautiful Orient dial on there, the blue dial. This is a 44 millimeter case on this watch, so for some, this might be a little bit bigger than they're used to. Now, I'm not going to get into everything, on this watch. I just want to do a quick unboxing. Beautiful, beautiful polishing on the case here. Get a little bit of a close-up of the dial on the watch. And it's dirty and dusty, of course, from being in the box. But that gives you guys an idea of what we're going to be looking at here. Very nicely done watch from Orient. Just a quick unboxing, because like I said, guys, I just got the watch in it, and I don't like to unbox anything here without actually showing you guys. So there it says automatic and made in Japan. I don't know, are these actual JDM models? Do you guys know a difference in the models with the actual date wheel on them, the kanji date wheel? Are they actually different, more quality, different? What do you guys think about that? But I just want to do a really quick unboxing, and in the next week or so, guys, or next probably 2 weeks at least, we'll get a review of the Orient Kano, the fifth, the F69-22 movement. A lot of good stuff going on with this watch. But guys, that was just a quick, dirty unboxing here on the OFD channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching.